How to watch YouTube and use other apps. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So first of all, open up your setting and you have to search for picture in picture if your device supported that. So simply search for that. Picture in picture, simply search for this. Once you have searched for this, if your device supported this will gonna show you results. If not, this will show up something like that. So now once you are done with that, you have to open up your YouTube and go to your settings of your profile on the top right corner and simply click on the settings. Go for the general settings and here there will be an option of picture in picture, so make sure to turn that on. So once you are done with that, if you are using an old version, make sure to update it to see that feature. I have not updated this, so that's why I can't see this. So now once you are done with that, you have to go back and now here you can simply watch any kind of videos, and all you have to do is to simply scroll down and this will turn on the picture in picture mode. So that's how basically you can watch YouTube videos while using other apps.